Hi, I'm Ananya Banerjee, and if I tell you something sweet is good for you, will you believe that? Yes, it is true. I'm doing a protein-rich instant peda. For the protein-rich part, I'm using chana. So my chana powder will go here. Goes sugar. I'm going to add a little almonds chopped. I'm going to use some pista also, some cardamom powder, and to bind my pedas I need ghee. I'll add some ghee. If I need more ghee, I can add more ghee later. I'm almost there. What I'll do is I'll just put this in the work platform and give it a good knead. Maybe a little more ghee on my hand, and then I keep mixing this very well. And what I'll have to do is just make small pedas out of it. It is very soft now. If you keep it maybe in the fridge, it'll just harden up in no time. And the last one, yeah. So what I'll do is, my pedas are all done. I'll just garnish this with some almonds and pistachios. So instant peda, which is protein rich for you.